Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide will provide you with instructions to get rid of the unwanted browser extension from the Google Chrome browser, and the extension is called Tabs Info. This is the extension specifically designed for Google Chrome browser. The developers of this Tabs Info extension claim that it is an easy way to get all tabs information organized in your Google Chrome. But in reality, this particular extension operates as a typical adware. Once installed, it starts displaying the tremendous amount of pretty intrusive ads not related to the sites that you visit. So if this extension was mistakenly added to the Google Chrome browser, you should undertake the measures and get rid of it. Access the menu, go to More Tools, choose Extensions. Then, if you find any third-party extensions here, disable and delete them. Finally, I recommend that you research your system with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. Download the program, install the application, and begin researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.